To file taxes using tax guidelines online, start by gathering all necessary documents, including your W-2 form, 1099 forms, and any other relevant income statements. Next, visit the official website of the Internal Revenue Service or a trusted tax preparation platform, such as TurboTax or H&R Block. Create an account or log in if you already have one, and select the tax filing option that applies to you, such as 1040 or 1040EZ. The online platform will guide you through a series of questions to determine your filing status. Income and deductions. Enter your personal and income information, including your name, address, and social security number. Then, report your income from all sources, including your job, investments, and any self-employment income. Be sure to claim all eligible deductions and credits, such as the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit. The online platform will calculate your tax liability based on the information you provide. Review your return carefully to ensure accuracy and completeness. If you have any questions or concerns, consult the online help resources or contact a tax professional. Once you have completed your tax return, submit it electronically and receive a confirmation number. You can also choose to pay any owed taxes online or set up a payment plan if needed. Keep a copy of your tax return and supporting documents for your records. It is essential to file your taxes accurately and on time to avoid penalties and interest. The online tax guidelines and preparation platforms provide a convenient and efficient way to file your taxes, but it is crucial to follow the instructions carefully and seek help if needed. By following these steps and using the online tax guidelines, you can ensure a smooth and stress-free tax filing experience.